What is going on today, guys? So at Parry's, there is some new lemonades that I wanted to try that they have there that look pretty good. I usually get Dr. Pepper, of course, but yeah, there's some new lemonades there that I really want to try. But yeah, other than that, let's get to skating down there and yeah, see what happens.
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
so this is the raspberry lemonade, and every time I come in here, I'm going to try to change something slightly different more about my order, whether it's the drink or what I order. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely very sweet. Yeah, that's definitely a really good lemonade. It's down here at Perry's Pizza. Don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.